Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm doing it. We're going big. I'm about to do a showcase of a font series, the Crystal series by Lord Blako. These fonts I got way back in the day when before Smooth Swing was around, the legacy sound fonts. When you hear the term legacy, sound fonts or soundboards, that's before Smooth Swing. It was just accent swings, basically. He has updated his package. For all those, y'all know I'm a huge fan of crystal lore, like the crystals in your lightsaber having backstory, different crystals, different sounds, different effects. I just have always been a fan of that aspect. I don't know if it's still going on when Disney took over, maybe just considered Legends now, but to me it's one of my favorite aspects of the lightsaber itself is the crystal. So I've got 14 sound fonts I'm about to do. Normally I would do these, like I said, I would do a sound font review for each one, which I'd like to do, but I was like, I can't. Like it would take forever for me to do that many videos. So we're gonna do it in one go. This is gonna be a long video. If you don't like it, so you got 14 different sound fonts that I'm going to show. I will have them listed. You can go to each, because I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can go to his website where you can find his sound fonts, purchase them directly. If you want more detailed information on each one, since this would take forever for me to explain all the different crystals and all the different things and whatnot, go and read the description. Guess what? If you go and read the description, you'll get your answers. Y'all, I swear, some people just, I don't know, maybe you can't read. If you can't read, pause this video and go learn how to read. It's a very important skill to have. A lot of these sound fonts have extras, I've noticed in the folders. And again, I've had these fonts for a long time. They are now just Smooth Swing and tweaked up and stuff like that. But they have like pre-ons and post-offs, I believe, in a lot of the extras. Again, do some digging. We're here to play on this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go straight to showing it off with the blade. Normally I would show it just right here with some sounds, but I think we're just gonna go ahead and play with each one of them. If you want it more in depth, go buy it. Go buy the font. Or you can go to Lord Blako and watch his videos. Y'all asking me what's in the freaking, read the description. This is just a thing nobody wants to read. Nobody wants to take 2 minutes to read. I swear, Lord have mercy. A Dagon. Some of these I have done font reviews for in the past, but I'm going to run through it. We're going to run through the list. This is the Crystal series. Some of the colors may be inaccurate to what it is. Somebody will be like, that's not the color of a bear wearing it. Like, I know. I'm just going to play with them, dude. We're just playing. You guys listen to the sounds. You don't like it, eat my butt. All right. Ingot is one of my faves, man. I love this one back in the day. Dan Terry's pretty cool. During Fire. Okay, I wanted to do During Fire. I wanted to do During Fire on a speeder bike hilt of mine, a Koran horn one. During Fire is Lord Blako's version on a Koran horn style During Fire crystal, which is in Koran horn's saber. So it's alright, we'll do it on this one. Still sounds great. That's the case. Let's go for Silver Blade, right? Kind of more white, but you get it. The swings are cool. Always been a huge fan of Lord Blako's accent swings and whatnot. It just feels good. It's kind of hard to explain a feeling sometimes when it comes to a sound, but y'all know what I mean. Yeah, you hear that? That sounds really cool, Power Off. If you have a Koran horn speeder bike hilt, you need a During Fire from Lord Blako on it, straight up. It's just that hum. God, they're all so good. I love these. I'm so happy right now. Oh, that's good. The accent swings on this one are a lot of fun. Very Echo inspired.
Heart of the Guardian.
Old school. Very Jedi sounding swings, you know. All right, I'm kind of speeding along, but trying to keep on trucking.
Hurricane.
This one's very interesting. I'm a sucker for those hums that make me feel uncomfortable, I guess. I don't know.
Kyber.
This is one that I never got back in the day, and I'm now playing with, and I love it. It's so different. So different. I'm a huge fan of that. I love it. Lignin was a huge favorite of mine. I had it on so many hilts back, 4 or 5 years ago. At some point, it gets a little bit of a pitch. I love stuff like that.
Mantle of the Force.
Mantle of Force. Keep in mind, these all have prions and stuff like that too. You can add on, in the extras folder. Took my own head off. Almost ended it right there, boys. Boys and girls. Next door is so good if you want like a different dark side feeling type hilt. I used to put them on Star Killers and stuff like that, and obviously scrap tech, scrap flexes and all that. And it feels, I don't know, it feels dangerous. That hum, man, just in your face. Click Sony. Sounds like a anime, like yell. Click Sony. Piercing. Let's do that one more time. That is so cool. Like a freaking snake.
Rubat.
Rubat is one that I didn't get back in the day. Ooh, I haven't had that much experience with Rubat, other than just from listening to it on my own. Oh, and I missed out. It's another one of those hums. Oh. Blasters are powerful. Woo. Oh. Yeah, I'm a fool. Every one of those hit hard. That's a good font, man. I really slept on it, dude. I was sleeping.
See Gail.
Alright, this is the last one in this Crystal series. And this is another one that I don't really have that much experience with. Let's check her out. That hum gives me a little, like, makes my hair stand up on my neck. I've always been a fan of the swings, man. Alright, there we go. Dude, liked it. Now, some of these that I was sleeping on, I was sleeping. I don't know why I did. That's so good. I love that Kyber one. Is very interesting. It's a lot of fun to play with. Seagull is really good. Seagull, that was a lot of fun. I really enjoy these. I can't stress enough that if you want just good quality font, something a little different, something little EU, I guess. I don't know if it's EU. Something little Legends, you know, get you the Crystal series, man. Just get them all. I mean, I'm happy with every single one of them. I've been playing with them nonstop. I couldn't tell you which one's my favorite. I used to think that I had a solid, like, this is number 1, 2, and 3, but now I don't know. So I'm so bad at deciding on that kind of stuff. That was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. A little bit longer of a sound font review demo showcase, but I felt like this was a really easy way to knock it all out and just have fun. So thanks again, you guys. Again, leave the link in the description of this video. Do yourself a favor, go check them out, read the description, purchase all of them, or pick the ones you like the most. Thanks again, you guys, and thank you so much, Lord Blako. This was a ton of fun for me, and I can't wait to see, as always, what else you're gonna do. So, all right, guys, that'll do it. Until next time, may the Force be with you.
Who's scruffy looking?